In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take any video and the song from that video from TikTok and turn it into a ringtone. It's a few different steps, but I'll go very slowly step by step so you can follow along. The first step is you need to open up TikTok here, and anywhere on TikTok, find a video that has the song that you want to make into a ringtone. In this case, I'll choose one of my own songs here, and you just basically want to download that video. So just go ahead and press save a video here. And now that it's saved, I'm going to close TikTok. The next app we need to open, I'll show you in the App Store, because most likely you don't have that one, but it's free. And it's called Ringtone Maker. And there are a ton of different apps that look just like this. Okay, so I'll put a link in the description to this exact one. Go ahead and download and open this app right here. And now all you have to do is press the plus sign and import from video. So I'm going to choose that. And if you didn't give it all the permissions, go ahead and add more photos and choose that option. So it doesn't have permission for all my videos, just the one I chose here. So I'm going to choose this now and just press done on the very bottom here. And it's going to appear right here in a second. And now all you have to do is press I right here next to that and make it to a ringtone. Then the last app you need is one that comes with your phone, but if you don't have it, it's called GarageBand. So go back to the App Store if for some reason this does not appear here. So it's already on my phone. You see that it's over here. So I'm going to go back here, and it's kind of give you a demo to what you need to do. So what I need to do here is press GarageBand. It's going to open GarageBand here. So here's the ringtone. I could actually make it shorter if I want to, but I'm going to leave it the length it was. And I'm going to press the down arrow here and press my song right here. I'm going to save it as my song. Then it will appear like this. Okay. Then if you press and hold this one, it's going to give you an option here to share it. So that's what you want to do on this page. Press share, and then you want to share it as a ringtone. So a few different steps to get to this point, but once you press this option, it's going to let you name your ringtone. So I'm going to name this TikTok 2, but name it whatever you want so you could remember, and then press done. And I'm going to press export on top, and it's going to go to my ringtone. So make sure yours looks the same. Press export. And now from here, you just have to press use as, and you could choose it as a ringtone, as the text tone, or you could assign it to a specific contact. I'm going to just choose it as a ringtone. Now this is set. I'll show you one last setting here. If you go to the setting app of your phone, and if you scroll down here, there's an option that says sound. Click this option right here. And basically here you could change your ringtone. I changed it in the GarageBand app, but if you want to change it back, you could click this, and I selected a couple of different options over here, and these are the standard ringtones that come with your phone. But to change it back at any time, this is where you do it. And it's that simple to use any video song from TikTok as your ringtone. Please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.